Meet Australia's Corvette. With 4 doors, the 2002 Holden Commodore SS may look like a family sedan, but under the hood, it's packing the same 5.7-litre V8 as the Chevy Corvette, thanks to GM. With 335 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, this Aussie sleeper launches to 62 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, hits the quarter mile in 13.9, and tops out at 155 miles per hour. It's not just fast in a straight line, its independent suspension, grippy 235/40 R18S, and tuned handling made it agile for its size. Inside, power seats and comfort made it perfect for the everyday driver. Or Australia's highway patrol. This beast even raced around the country, 15,000 kilometers in just 6.5 days. The Commodore SS, part muscle car, part family hauler, 100% Aussie power.